Hello, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back. Root Beer here with the very start of Part C on the 2003 Grade 7 Gauss. We're up to question 21. That's the very first part of Part C, which is the last 5 questions on the contest. Hopefully you've had a chance to take a look at it. If not, click the link in the description. You can get this question and all the questions. In fact, you can even get a copy of this contest for yourself. Okay? So question number 21. In a large hospital with several operating rooms, 10 people are waiting for a 45-minute operation. The first operation starts at 8 a.m., the second operation at 8:15 a.m., and each of the other operations starts at 15-minute intervals thereafter. When does the last operation end? Okay. So, to figure out when the last operation ends, we know that each of these operations are 45 minutes. So, being that they are the same amount of time, the last operation to end will be the last operation to get going, i.e. so it's 10 people waiting, each of them are waiting for the operation, so the 10th operation is the one we're looking for. If we know when that starts, we can figure out when it ends by adding 45 minutes onto that start time. So now the question becomes, when does that 10th operation start? So we can work it out if we want to. The first one starts at 8, the second one at 8:15, and we could actually just list when each one of them starts, and then add 45 minutes onto the last one. And I think that's probably the simplest approach. So let's get into our notebook. So our first operation starts at 8 a.m. The second one at 8:15 a.m. So the first one will be done at 8:45, but we don't care about that. The question is specifically asking us, when does the last operation end? Okay, so we got 10 people, each of them waiting for the operation. So we're going to have to figure out when the third and the fourth and all the way down to the 10th. Now, if you want to, you can be clever about this. You can realize that the fourth operation will start at 8:45, and so the fifth operation, the fourth one after the first, will take place a full hour after the first one did. And continuing on, the ninth one will take place an hour after that, because there's going to be 4 15-minute intervals in between these. Okay? We don't need to rush. It's not like we're being asked for the 100th operation, at which point we should probably start figuring out a pattern and generalizing from there. But 10th operation, figuring out when that starts, that's not that bad. So we can actually fill these in. The 6th operation will start at 9:15, the 7th at 9:30, the 8th at 9:45, the 9th at 10, and then the 10th one will start 15 minutes after that at 10:15 a.m. And I wonder if 10:15 is one of the possible answers. Ah, there it is. It's A. However, that's when the 10th and last operation starts. We want, when does the last operation end? And each of these operations are 45 minutes. So we add on 45 minutes. So 45 minutes after 10:15, that brings us to a full hour again. So our answer is going to be 11 a.m. And I believe that was D. Let's just double check. D, 11 a.m. That's when this final operation is going to finish. Okay? So that was question number 21. In the next video, we're going to take a look at question number 22. So if you haven't tried that one yet, download a copy of the contest and try it for yourself.